Hi friends, this video shows how to use or enable back tap. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings sub icon. Go down, select accessibility, select touch, go down, tap on back tap. You can see right now back tap is off. Select back tap. Here we can see two options, double tap and triple tap. For now let me select double tap. Here we can see list of options under system. From this list, let me select one option. Let me select flashlight. Done. Now I have enabled back tap. Let me check. Go back. You can see back tap is on. At this point, if I double tap on back side of the phone using one finger, it will turn on flashlight. Later, if double tap again, it will turn off flashlight. Similarly, we can try other options in this list. Later, if you want to disable or turn off this back tap feature, you can select none here. Just select none, then go back. You can see now back tap is off. So this way we can use back tap. We can enable or disable back tap. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.